In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add relative strength index indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through, step by step, how to get the RSI indicator onto your TradingView Pro chart so you can start using it in your analysis right away. Even if you're brand new to TradingView or to technical indicators, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. On your chart, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and drawing tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you'll find everything you can add to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see several tabs and categories. Look for the section labeled Technicals. This is where TradingView groups its built-in technical indicators, including the Relative Strength Index. Click on Technicals to narrow things down so you're only browsing the classic tools that traders commonly use. At the top of this Indicators window, you'll see a search bar. This is the easiest way to find exactly what you need instead of scrolling through a long list. Click into the search field so your cursor is blinking there and you're ready to type. Now type Relative Strength Index into the search bar. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the list below. You should see Relative Strength Index, or just CIS Index, often abbreviated as RSI, appear in the results. This is the standard built-in RSI from TradingView, which is perfect for most users. Once you see it, simply click on it. As soon as you do, the RSI will be added to your chart, typically showing up in a panel below your price candles. From here, you can hover over the RSI panel and use the settings icon to adjust things like the length, colors, and line style to match your trading preferences. Remember that the default settings are a good starting point, especially if you're still learning how RSI works. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more indicators, more alerts, and a smoother charting experience, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way you can follow along with all my future tutorials using the same tools and layout. And that's all you need to quickly add the Relative Strength Index indicator in TradingView Pro.